Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to control who can see comment on threads. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is just to open the threads application and then create a post. So you just have to tap on this. Okay, so for example, we're going to type a good day and then click on this attachment icon here and then choose a photo from your gallery. Now, in order to control who can comment on threads, so you just have to click on this anyone can reply option at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then you can decide the people who can comment on your post. So, for example, anyone or profiles you follow. So, it's up to you. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.